Good afternoon. We are now here at the bus. We are now arriving at the party at the hotel for a party to celebrate good performance on inventory. Now, this is Mr. Rudra.
We all will be saying very happy.
Happy.
Very happy is plus staff is with us. Thank you, buddy. Thanks, buddy. Thanks a lot.
This is Salim Bulandan. Yeah, taking picture, ha? This is the way.
No problem.
This is the driver.
Oh, yeah. Farooq! Mr. Farooq!
Look at the stuff. Yeah, boy.
Hey, boys.
Yeah, boy. Rusty. Ooh.
Pakagay pa rito ng mapamahagi. Tumayo ka.
Yan. Yaklilosob kita.
Parang tara to.
Jerry Kawai. Ayun o, yung niya si Jerry.
Kainan. Yun o.
Nangunguna.
Ako muna.
Close up natin. Ayun o. Ayun o.
Yun o.
Kita o. Ayun o. Wala ito.
Wala. Finisay, not having finisay na. That is only flash, yeah. Hello.
Sir, you're too blurred. The light's not coming.
Hero. Mr. Farooq. So this is Farooq. And
Yeah.
this is Tariq. Oh, Rusty D balance. Wow. Where is Rajesh? Sleeping, huh? Raising